How to secure the collapsible tub panels on the portable handling system for transport. Crowding tub model. This video is intended to be a supplement to the manual provided with your product. Please be sure to read your product manual thoroughly as it contains important safety warnings and assembly tips. Failure to follow these instructions for securing the tub panels safely voids the warranty. For clarity purposes, the panels are labeled as follows. Panel 1, Panel 2. Ensure the swing gate is properly latched. Push the crowd gate up against the swing gate. Disconnect panels 1 and 2. Tuck panel 2 in against the crowd gate. Lift the foot on panel 1 into transport position. Connect the ratchet strap to the panel clip on the swing gate hinge post. To do this, you will need to step between panels 1 and 2. The strap must go over the gates and connect to the top hole of the upper panel clip. Tuck panel 1 in against panel 2. Set the foot on the wear plate. Take out slack on the strap and tighten to secure the tub for transport.